G'day viewers all. Oh, excuse me. Just had lunch. Just all cleaned. Most of the crap's at the rest of that will just blow it. We can press it once it's dried. Now, definitely from what I can tell, it's been pumped down. So all the pressure should be in here. So it's a shame that they thought they were going to keep it, but yeah, their original intention, according to the text who probably removed it, was there to pump it down. Whether or not they kept it or not, to pump it down to be in the safe side. That way all the gas is in here when they removed it. As they cringed the pipes off, and this is still all sealed, which is good. So the cover's their ass, and they don't get in friggin' if it was a home job or something at the house, they probably wouldn't worry about it, but because it's a company thing, at a factory and that, they got to comply with the laws and everything, so they pumped it down, removed it, which is the correct way to do it, if they didn't recover it, which I don't think they did. More than likely they pumped it down, so sucked it all up, turned the liquid off, so let that pressurise on one side and suck the low side pressure down, suck it up on the low side, and put a heap of high pressure up, so all the refrigerant is inside here. There's none in here when I removed it. So yeah. Their intention was to throw it out anyway. So it's a shame because I was going to throw it in the scrap bin as well as about 2.5 tonne of all other stainless steel offcuts and everything. So yeah, would have got punctured and everything in that bin. So would have been a waste, just a big waste of a good air conditioning unit. I get the remote to show you that. That's all intact. There we go, there's a wireless remote controller. Still got the original protective plastic on the screen. Bit sunburnt and very dirty. Bit sun damaged, extremely dirty. Whew, it's dirty. Actually, this reminds me of the ones I had at school. Had the same as this, on the portable classrooms. The one had a carrier very similar to this one. I can talk with this remote. It's off a very similar unit to this one most the school had when I went to school. Because one portable classroom had a carrier, and the other, they had a couple of others which had Chinese Derby air conditioners. So, bloody tree. So I got the protective plastic on the screen. A bit dirty, the door will clean up alright though. But yeah. Oh well. Fortunately for me, they had pumped it down, even though it was going to go on a scrap bin in the first place. Oh well. Better off being reused properly rather than frickin' scrapped. I wonder why the eco Nazis are so frickin' cracking down on these, because when they get scrapped they all get released in the atmosphere anyway. It's cheaper to do that than just to frickin' get people to recover them all the time at the scrap these. So my compressor aimed up and measured it alright. I'd measured it off camera. I forgot to do it on camera, but I did a couple of confirmation checks just to make sure that electrically it's alright, and it is. So passes all the electrical tests, didn't it? I don't see why it wouldn't work. Yeah, the other lever's broken off, but that's not really going to matter. It's just going to blow out the one way. If I get a nice, my own place with a nice shed, that's how this is going to go. In my future man cave. Yeah, all the refrigerant's in there. R22, it's good stuff. That was phased out as of 2010 onwards. They phased that out. Even though the near stuff, the near refrigerants and the blends are kind of the same freaking things anyway. Continuous current for the compressor is 16.5 amps, so you need a 15 amp plug top. I call them pluggies for short. The kilowatts. What is it? Where did I read it? Yeah, I'll work it anyway. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's almost as big as you can get that can be plugged into a standard power point. Anything bigger than this would be hardwired. So 16.5. That's probably the absolute borderline you would go to run off a plug like that to plug into a standard power point. This doesn't have to be plugged in the indoor unit. You can have this on the outdoor unit. Just put this on the outdoor unit and plug it into an outdoor weatherproof 15 amp power point. So yeah, indoor or outdoor, doesn't matter which way you plug it in. It can either be done indoor or outdoor. Yeah. So before I do anything, check these and Allen keys. Make sure they're tight. They should be. that's the case, then it's all safe. The gas is in there nice and safe, ready to be reused when this unit's recommissioned. It's all been cleaned up alright. The electronics are good, apart from being full of bloody spiders and dust and crap, but yeah, cleaned up pretty good. Anyway, quite a good score. So rather than going in the bin, this will be going in my man cave. Hose it, clean it very nicely. Yeah, definitely a rooftop unit. I wiped half the paint off there when I cleaned it. Definitely was a rooftop unit. So yeah, be good for a man cave. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.